Welcome everyone and welcome to another wonderful learning episode. This is Kiwe Tech. My name is Ni Ama, your instructor. Many computer users today uses one particular input device that helps the computer to run effectively and very well. And one of these devices is the computer mouse. And that is exactly what we are coming to talk about today. So let's dive into our course. This is a typical example of the computer mouse I was talking about. So look at it very well. Have you seen one before? Have you used one before? Okay, let's move. Someone may ask, so what is the main function of this nice device we are seeing on the screen, which is the computer mouse? So let's move. What is the function of a computer mouse? We can say a computer mouse is a handheld device or input device that controls a cursor on a computer screen. Someone may also ask, okay, what is the meaning of that cursor? What is a cursor? The person has not seen one before. So yes, let's put one nice image of a cursor on the screen. So look here. Yes, this is a mouse pointer. A very nice arrow we can see on the screen. And this mouse pointer is what we also call a cursor. So a mouse pointer is a visual representation on a computer screen that indicates the position of the mouse. So this mouse pointer is the one that is going to help us to know where exactly we are moving the mouse or what exactly we want to use the mouse for. So this mouse pointer is the same as the mouse cursor. So this is what we are going to use to point or click on any other thing on our computer desktop. What else? Now there is a very nice mouse on the screen as well, and we want to talk about these mouse buttons. So if there is a mouse, there should be some parts of that mouse, and the mouse buttons that we have here, we have the right mouse button, we have the scroll wheel, we have the left mouse button, and then we have the mouse body itself. So here we can memorize these things into our head. So the first one, right mouse button, scroll wheel, left mouse button, mouse body. So we can put these things in our mind so that we'll get to know the mouse buttons that we have. So what are the primary uses of a computer mouse? The primary uses of a computer mouse. The first one is to move the cursor. So we've talked about the cursor, which is the mouse pointer, and that is what we are saying. The computer mouse itself has been moving this cursor so that we can be able to do so many things on the screen. And also, it is used for clicking on icons found on a desktop. We can use it to select items on the desktop as well. We can use for dragging and dropping of items, and sometimes we can use them for opening and closing windows. And sometimes when we open any document on the web page, we can use the mouse to scroll through the documents found on that web pages or on that website, and it helps a lot. So these are the primary uses of the computer mouse, but the mouse has different uses as well. Let's look at some of the other uses. So the first one here is for gaming. For gaming, people use the computer mouse to play games, and it helps. What about graphic designing? For those graphic designers who want to paint, who want to use the mouse to do some art on the computer, we can use the mouse. What about photo editing? When you are editing a picture on the screen, we can use the mouse very well, and it helps so much because it is going to help you to click on some of the buttons, to draw arrows, to draw some rectangular shapes and circles. Yes, it helps a lot in photo editing as well. So these are some of the other uses of a computer mouse. What other thing can we talk about? Let's talk about the types of computer mice that we have. The first one is the wired mice. We have the wireless mice. We have the optical mice, we have the ergonomic mice, and then we have the specialized mice. Some of us have seen all these things before, but here let's look on the screen and find out some of the diagrams when it comes to the types of computer mice. Let's look at them. The first one here is the wired mouse. I hope most of you watching have seen one before. So this is a typical wired mouse. Then this is the wireless mouse. And this is the norm of the day today. Everyone wants to use the wireless mouse because it's very efficient and very easy to handle. What about the optical mouse? We've seen one before. Sometimes you see a very nice mouse with a red light under it. Sometimes we wonder where from this light. But this is a mouse called optical mouse. And what other mouse do we have? The ergonomic mouse that is made for special purposes. Sometimes for people who are disabled, they are supposed to use it because they manufacture them for that special purpose. What about this? Specialized mouse. So in the beginning we talked about the mouse being used for gaming. So this is one typical example of a specialized mouse which is used for gaming. Yes, so in view now we've seen all the different types of computer mice and how they look like. So far, what have we learned? We've come to see the diagram of a mouse, and we've seen so many types of computer mice that we have and the uses of these computer mice that we have. But now we have reached a point where I want to thank everyone for watching till this end, till the end of this video. But now I've kept one secret that I want to reveal it now. That is, did you know that Douglas Engelbart was the one who invented the computer mice? What about the year 1963? And how does that computer mice look like? We can see that on the screen. So it was a wooden box with two metal wheels inside and a tail on the bottom. And that is what he used as a mouse. And now we've invented so many mice that we are using till today. Thank you for watching. This is QA Tech.